Hi guys, come get ready with me because we are going to Boracay. I'll be going back to Boracay. This time it'll be 3 days and 3 nights, including today, but it's already 9 or 10, and I still need to travel for like 5 hours or 4 hours roughly. And my bag is ready. I will show you guys how to get to Boracay from Iloilo via land trip. Tara! I already changed my clothes, but I know mag-jacket pa ko because tig-init na gid siya, guys. I need to put jackets and also balaclava because I'll be riding a motorcycle only. My handy bag or my shoulder bag is ready. All my handy things that I need along the way are already packed. I'm ready. Let's go. Let's go to Boracay. So, roughly 4 hours and 10 minutes ang akong travel pa dong sa Jetty Port, which is going to Boracay. This is gonna be a long ride, so I'll just gonna show you guys a short clips sa way, okay? Then ako sa parking space here sa Malay, rather mag-pay lang mo dari if you have a motorcycle or like a transportation. Dari lang mo ma-park. 12.50 kung abot dari. Then igikan ko sa amo kay mga 9.40 or 9.50. Muras lang ko kadali and then mo doon ako sa port palabang sa Boracay. We are on seat number 24. 2 p.m. yung check-in sa hotel and it's 1 something. Sakto naman siguro. Maybe I'll just take my lunch there and then wait for the time to check in. For public transportation, guys. And I'm here, guys. Here, nasa room. I'll give you guys a very quick room tour. Pag sulod nyo dari mo, ano ni siya? So, dito na bed. Mo ni siya. And they have a balcony. Wait. Diba? Tapos makita ninyo ang pool sa Dalong. Look at that. See? Wala na siya ang pinaka-room, the bed, and then they have TV, fridge, and then this is their bathroom. Wait lang. This is their bathroom. Okay lang. Okay na. Japan third floor. I just went downstairs, grab some water. And this one bottle dito sa water, ano ramay? Tag 7 tag 17 rami or 18, but dali kay tag 30. Pa-close ang convenience store or like atong mura sa 7-Eleven, but it's not. I'm so thirsty kay ikan sa kadugay mo inom sabi. Uminom na gali daghan pa kay yaw-yaw. The only thing that I drink is nakita man niyo sa video ganiha, which is katong buko shake. Mura gid to. Mura na mawala ko. Mura na mawala ko, bosses. I will be using the DJI now from now on, so I will pass this video to the DJI. And we are ready to go to the beach. Are you the beach? No, I'm not. Are you ready to eat Coco Mama?
Coco.
Ganun sa mukha ang Coco Mama. We just brought the Ocean Pack. You can buy some sando, the one that has Boracay.
Vlog, welcome my guys.
Right vlog daw. Finding Coco Mama. Mama Coco. Finding Mama Coco. Beach entrance fee is 150 pesos. We are here. You wanna swim? Tara, let's find Mama Coco.
D-Mall.
12 minutes walk pa daw yung Coco Mama.
Ganahan ka party boat.
Mainom man na dito.
Oo, gani.
Puro mahubog ta sa party boat. Mag-party boat me daw, guys. Ma-party boat ka, sir? Sir?
Pwede.
Ano gusto mo, sir? Para sailing, sir? Crystal kayak, sir? Gusto mo?
Oo.
Gusto mo ko, sir?
Maybe.
Tara, check-in tayo, sir. Kung kumamaasan ka na. Guys, if mag-walk, gali mo diri sa Boracay. Make sure nga mag-on mo sa inyong Strava. Kay para matrack na inyong steps and km ninyo or distance nga inyong gilakaw. Para namoy pang maidi nga naglakaw mo diri sa Boracay. 'Di ba? Double performance. We are here sa Ice Flakes, which is sa mga balikan later. Mao ni siya. Mabalik lang may diya. For tonight na siya. If mag-visit mo sa Boracay, dapat dili ninyo kalimtan to sa nga ice cream. Kay ilahang ice cream kay murag flakes gali nga. Ice flakes, snowflakes. And then right now we are finding Mama Coco. Kay mo sa mo ay try since nakatry namin ato last time. This is Hakuna Matata. Ang na ay mga dancers, mga sunset dancers here in Boracay. Mo na yung pinaka-busiest area here sa Boracay. Kanindri dapat sa D-Mall. Ano man, if you are looking for some souvenirs, mga alas, mga borloloy, mga necklaces, and also foods here in D-Mall is a lot.
There is also
Where's Mama Coco? There! Mama Coco is here. Mama Coco. Ang kato nga branch sa Coco Mama kay Coco lang gid siya. Ang Ubi Mama di ay is different na different branch which is puro ube. And then mauto sa amo ang atuon karon.
chicken.
Ano siya among atuan kaning ube. There kana na tao ko. Klaro kay nga famous or lami kay gilinyahan man. If gilinyahan gali kay lamion. So kamo if naigalinya sa inyo lamion. This is their flavor and we are getting mixed corn, mahang langkaw and ube.
Na. Hindi ko sure. Matcha usually sa nangyayari. Matcha ice cream.
Thank you.
Ube Mama.
Yay.
Tomorrow we'll be having
Mango.
Mango Mama.
Mango Mama. Kanita mi spot sa beach. Kay dito mi ma-wait sa sunset kag maligo na sad mi sa dagat. Now is the taste of the Coco Mama. Tastes like ube. Because it's ube. We are now dipping to the ocean floor. Tara.
Ay sus, 1 hour na, wala pa di gihapon. Sige, go! Naka-record na ta. We are now enjoying kayak. Ako lang matubang sa imo. Do it, baby. Going na sa party.
We are ready for the sunset. Sleepy.
We're going to have our dinner here.
mag-take out ng may McDo. This is how it looks like during the night here in Boracay. We are now back at the ice flakes. Matry naman ni uli sa ilahang flakes na ice cream. Hi guys, we are now going to our hotel and
We did totally enjoy this sunset.
yeah, that sunset. And part 2 will be next
Will be
video.
next day.
Next day will be part 2. Bye!